For decades, Lutron has been the leader in lighting controls and automated shades. And with the addition of Ketra, the most innovative lighting system in the world, Lutron is building the complete luxury home experience in a seamless solution that is greater than the sum of its parts.
Now let's see what's possible when Ketra is integrated native with Lutron's HomeWorks. The kitchen is the hub of every home, the place where families congregate to start their day. Let's look at 4 different transformations of the kitchen throughout the course of any typical day. In the early morning, you want a warm, soft light. As your day progresses, the blinds open, helping to create the ambiance that is just right for the moment or mood. Later in the day, you may need light to cook by. And what we see here is that our task lighting now becomes stronger. And then by night, as you wind down for a cocktail, that task lighting goes away, and we just keep a warm, soft glow emanating from the pendants over the countertop. With the Lutron Palladium keypad, all of this is possible with the touch of a button. The dining room is the jewel of the home, a place to exhibit exquisite decor and really showcase your hospitality. Let's set the mood with some lights and music. Let's deconstruct the layers of light in the dining room, starting with the ambient light. First, the light on the wall grazed. Second, the table lamp in the corner. And third, the soft glow of the downlights on the wall. Next, let's add in our accent light. The light on the painting, the light on the bookcase. And last, let's bring task lighting to the table. With the integration of window treatments and lights, it's easy to transform the entertainment room into a cocoon of comfort. And when your guests leave, you can relax, kick back, and play your favorite movie. Okay, Josh, play Casablanca. What we've explored thus far is Ketra's power to transform mood and scene. But now what we're going to look at is how it can also transform architectural space. Let's start with the wall behind me. This is a beautiful Ketra G2 light grazing our curtain to give a plane of vertical illumination. But not only can we graze with light, we can also wall wash. And so now let's turn our attention to the wall next to me and see how we can wall wash a wall in the art to create a different vertical illumination effect. With the wall washers on, we can see that the wall and the painting are evenly lit from top to bottom. But what happens when we want to just accent the painting? Let's turn on the accent lights and see how that completely transforms the reading. Here we see that the painting really comes forth and the wall recedes in darkness. However, with Ketra's dynamic spectrum, we can actually remix the way that white light is composed. This is high vibrancy. As you can see here, the colors really pop. Let's isolate some of those colors of the white, and let's start with red and see what it does to the painting. All of a sudden, all the black line work and the purples come forth. Now let's try it with the blue light. We see neons, pinks, and yellows. And this is a beautiful example of the light becoming an integral part of the work of art itself. When designing the bedroom, we chose a jewel-like keypad in satin brass, which complements the gilded accents of the bedside lamps and the shade brackets. Now let's look at how light can adjust automatically throughout the course of the day to either energize in the morning or soothe and comfort at night. Here's 24 hours of Ketra natural light compressed into 30 seconds, married together with the power of Lutron drapes to create your personal sanctuary. In the morning, for your daily rituals, you want light that makes you look and feel your best. And so as I turn to the mirror,
I have several directionalities of light illuminating my face. I have 2 downlights aimed at the mirror, bouncing light back to my face. I also have downlights aimed at this table surface and reflecting light upwards. I also have side lighting come from the wall sconces. And even the wall behind me is grazed with light to give a nice backdrop and illuminate the contours and the silhouette. This is a really beautiful makeup lighting, soft, even glow. By night, however, I want to warm this up. Let's warm up the light using Ketra's high-def palette. And we can see now that the skin tones become redder, softer, more golden. And with this light, I can go to any restaurant, any cocktail hour with confidence that I'll look and I'll feel my best. Program a scene so your lights will come on automatically at night and your drapes will close to ensure your home is safe and secure when you are out of town.